This is Leonidas M. Natanian with Bar.io. At Bar.io, we strive to make real estate accessible for everyone. In today's video, I'm going to make a follow-up to a how-to video I made previously about identifying the best neighborhoods in any real estate market. But this time, we are going to apply the same methodology to a completely new and random city. My friend reached out and said, please give this a shot, but now do one that isn't something that you've done before. So I'm going to use this random list of US cities, and I randomly generated Madison, Wisconsin, Tampa, and so forth. I'm looking for a relatively large-ish neighborhood, and I believe most of these are. So let's take Tampa, Florida, for example. Let's go to Redfin, and let's type in Tampa, Florida. As we search for Tampa, Florida, just as previously, I like to remove the outline so I get a clear view of all the properties that are listed across the region. I'm also noticing that the zoom area on the map is much larger than I would like it to be because we're seeing St. Petersburg, some more than just one big-ish city. So I'm going to try to focus in this area here. Okay, now that we have a little bit better of a view, I'm going to use the data presented to me by Redfin and just take a brief look at the average median price and the price per square footage. In order for me to find the best neighborhoods, they are typically also the priciest. To find the priciest neighborhood or the concentration of the priciest homes in any geographic location that you're unaware of, use this handy filter feature that Redfin provides. You could notice or you see that there is a distribution of different prices listed on their website. This distribution is almost even, but what we want to do is kind of move past where the bulk of the homes are. I notice that it drops off and then re-spikes right at the $1 million mark. Maybe I might go a little bit over just to eliminate some noise. I'm going to go ahead and say see 315 homes. You immediately may notice that there's a large concentration of multi-million dollar homes in this enclave down here. It kind of makes sense given that it is surrounded by water, and homes near the water typically command higher prices than those inland. But let's not worry about that for this purpose of this video. Instead, we could clearly see that this neighborhood down here is relatively more expensive than the other neighborhoods. So if I just take this little draw tool, and I could just kind of make a drawing right over here, this neighborhood seems to be the priciest neighborhood. If I go down and look at the neighborhood name, I would like to ask the viewers here, is Palma Cia West area and Palma Cia area the nicer parts of Tampa, Florida? Please comment below and let us know and let the viewers know whether or not this methodology works. I appreciate it and thank you.